Hey guys, so I'm back. This video will be a welcome to my channel Q&A video. Yeah, I'm just gonna jump straight into it. This is the second video I recorded tonight, so we just gonna keep that same energy. So welcome to my channel. On this channel you will find hair videos. I might throw in some life hacks. Makeup is not really my lane, but I have been asked to make makeup videos, so I might do a few of those here and there. But you're gonna mostly find hair, and depending on the growth of my channel, you might find other things. Yeah, that's what you'll find. Let's jump into the Q&A. I had put a post on my Instagram, Miss Erica Denise, asking people to send me questions in my DMs, just so I can make a Q&A video. I said I was gonna wait until I had a few subscribers before I made a welcome to my channel Q&A, because I mean, if nobody's watching, yeah, let me tell y'all a little something. Let me tell you about me first before I get into the Q&A. I am 26 years old. I know, I'll be 27 in December 23rd to be exact. I am currently in grad school, about to be finished in 2 months. Not even a whole 2 months, a month and a half for real. I'll be getting my master's degree in human resources management. I have a bachelor's from the Morgan State University. Graduated from there in 2013. I live in Prince George's County, Maryland. I'm gonna be looking back and forth like, can I get it together? A couple of things I enjoy. I like hair, music, R&B, to go out, have fun with my friends, shop, all that good stuff. Yeah, get into this Q&A. So the first question is, how old are you? We're not gonna talk about that no more. We're not gonna bring that negative energy in here. What type of phone do you have? I have an iPhone. What is this called? What's on your background on your phone? Me. What was the last movie you watched? The last movie I watched was Think Like a Man, and it just so happened to be on. What TV shows do you like? Power. I like The Chi. I like American Horror Story. I like Divorce Court. I watch the Ratchet shows, but I wouldn't say I like them. It's just something to watch. Need a little ratchet in your life every now and then. Yeah, that's it. I don't watch a whole lot of TV. What's the worst injury you ever had? I twisted my ankle back in December of 2014, and it still has not healed. I can't wear heels. I hate going to the club because it requires me to wear heels. What were you doing 3 hours ago? 6. I was on my way home from work, sitting in traffic, looking for my chapstick, feeling kind of car sick. There's a Ford Maverick. When did you last go on vacation? Was that Miami? Miami in May? End of May. Beer or wine? Wine. I cannot stand beer. Are you hungry 24/7? Yes. Yes, I am. Are you always impatient? Yes. Yes, I am. Do you sing or dance in the shower? No. Do you ask or answer stupid questions? I ask a lot of stupid questions. I mean, not so much I ask stupid questions, but I be thinking out loud, asking questions. If somebody tells me something and I'm wondering like some details about it that they don't know, I'm gonna still ask them as if they know, but I know they don't know. So it's like, why you ask me that stupid question? Are you in debt? Yeah, I guess you can say that. I gotta pay back some student loans. Do you have kids? No, I do not have any kids. Do you use drugs? No, I do not use drugs. When did you last cry? I cried at some point. When did I cry? I don't remember. What is your eye color? Brown? Brown skin. You know I love your brown skin. What is your favorite cereal? I don't really eat cereal, but what I got in there? I got some Special K fruit and yogurt. How long can you stick in a relationship? I mean, as long as it lasts. I mean, it's not like, oh, I'm only doing relationships for 1 year max. No. What inspired you to make a YouTube video? I've been watching YouTube for years on years on years. Everything I know how to do, I pretty much learned from YouTube. So I felt like I could help people out by sharing my tips and tricks. People always ask me how I do stuff, and I'm not that great at explaining stuff. These videos can help you see the step-by-step processes that I take to achieve these looks. So, also, like, I was always that person who takes 1,000,001 selfies, and not to sound vain or nothing, but I like to look at myself, and I feel like YouTube is lit, so I got to. What piqued your interest into creating wigs? So it's all started off because I used to only do sew-ins in my head, only sew-ins on other people. And the first time I ever made a wig was like 2015, 14. Pretty much I had went natural, and I needed to give my hair a break from sew-ins and stuff. So, and wigs are very expensive. I figured, hey, let me make my own wig. Made my own wig, been making my own wigs, and now it's like nothing. I enjoy making wigs because, one, I feel like the more I do it, the better I get at it, and you get satisfaction out of becoming better at what you do. And it can be fun, like, especially when I make like colored wigs. That's really fun. Not so much the construction process, but like the coloring, the styling. Yeah. Next question. What are 3 things you love? My family, food, and God. What are your future goals? See, the thing about me is my goals change a lot, like very often. I'll start doing something and realize this ain't for me, and I'm real quick to, and that's probably not that good, but I don't give things a chance long enough. But if I'm not interested from the jump, it's over for that. Currently, my future goal is the goal is to land a job in HR, for one. Hopefully, within the next 3 to 5 years, I get a ring on my finger or something. Hopefully, get a man and a plan. Say nah. Hopefully, I get my subscribers up on YouTube. Hopefully, I get the hang of it. Yeah, that's the future plans as of right now. Why exit out of it? What's the biggest mistake you ever made? Let me see something generic. Biggest mistake I've ever made. Boop, 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 boop. Not saving my money. When I first moved home from school, I should have been saving money, but I was not. I was balling out of control because I ain't got no kid, no responsibilities. Just go to work and spend your money. Nah, not saving money. I save money now. Not as good as I should, but you know, you live and you learn. And sometimes you have to fail in order to realize what's really important in life. So yeah, I save now. How many tattoos / piercings do you have? Tattoos, I think I have 7. I have the roses on my arm. Tattoo that I have matching with my best friend, we got feathers. That's 2. Tattoo on my chest, it says "In Heaven Muhammad" for my uncle that passed. I have one on my stomach, like stomach hip area, that's 4. I have one on my side, that's 5. I have one on my back, that's 6. Why I think I got 7? Oh, because I had a cover up. So yeah, it's really 6. I've gotten tagged 7 times though. Piercings, which ear is it? This ear is pierced all the way up, but I never put rings in it, earrings in it. So these 2. I have a belly button piercing. And that's it. Okay, so the other questions was people not being serious. So I'm gonna go look at some generic Q&A questions for YouTube. What are you really bad at? Really bad at? Lying. I'm bad at lying. That's why I try not to lie too much. What's the one place you want to be right now? I want to be somewhere on a beach where it's hot and out of this Maryland weather. Where would you like to live? Somewhere where it's hot and away from this Maryland weather. Are you in a relationship? What did your last text message say? Sent? Okay, I'm gonna do sent and received. The last text message that I sent was cool. The last text message that I received was right, what you thinking? Should we see about it or just wait since we'll be coming up on our graduation time? What words upset you the most? No. I hate it when somebody tell me no. What is the description of a guy you like? Tall. Tattoos. Haircut. That's it. That's all I'm saying. How many siblings do you have? I have 3 siblings. An older sister, she's 28 now. A little sister, she's about to be 24. And a little brother, he just turned 21. I'm in the middle somewhere in the mix. Biggest turn off, a show off, somebody who's nagging all the time, body odor, liars, cheaters, deceivers, heartbreakers. Yeah, all that. 3 things that make you happy. Strawberry Haagen-Dazs ice cream, buffalo wings, don't forget the blue cheese, my bed. What is your zodiac sign? I am none other than the GOAT, the Capricorn. Okay? If y'all have any suggestions or ideas of videos y'all want me to do, y'all can put that in the comments below. Why do I sound so dumb?